good afternoon to our RANsquawk listeners. So we've recently just gone through that European cash market close where for the core countries we did finish slightly in negative territory today. Now this comes ahead of the Eurogroup meeting tomorrow. So originally there was an informal Eurogroup meeting scheduled to discuss the final arrangements for releasing that 130 billion tranche of aid to Greece for their second bailout programme. However, we have just recently seen comments from Eurozone officials saying this meeting is unlikely to take place and will now be replaced by conference calls on the final details of that plan. Nothing is confirmed as yet, but those sources were coming from an official, so it looks like this meeting is not going to happen now tomorrow. Now, we've also seen that the Greek cabinet meeting today. They have agreed on the extra €325 million in spending cuts. We haven't yet seen any sort of reshuffle from the Greek cabinet, so anything on that today will be keenly in focus, as well as any developments ahead of that potential meeting in Brussels tomorrow for the Eurogroup. Now, in terms of the US over the seas, we have seen some weak data today. So we saw the advanced retail sales. That was forecast at around 0.8%, but it came in lower at 0.4%. So with this bit of selling pressure we saw in the US stock futures, we did see some strengthening in the dollar. And we also saw the business inventories out of the US. Again, missed expectations slightly to come in at 0.4%, was forecast at 0.5%. So this just added to sentiment within the markets. Now, looking ahead, there's not a lot scheduled. However, like I've mentioned already, any sort of comments around Greece will be keenly followed. We do have the API inventory numbers after market, so energy traders will be looking out for those. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have another update for you around the US close.